Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition, and I will show you which fuses to check if you are having problems with the fuel pump. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. All the fuel pump fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here and is very easy accessible. Now, to lift the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So what you want to do, you want to press on each of the tabs to unlock it and then lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 44, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse responsible for power to the fuel pump relay. Second fuse to check, it's a fuse number 55, which is a 5 amp fuse responsible for power to the fuel pump relay coil. Now at the fuse location 61, which is right here, you will have a fuel pump diode. And the last thing to check, it's a fuel pump relay, which is located right here at the top. Now the best way to test this relay is try to replace it with one of the same kind, any of these, and see if that makes a difference. If it does, then just get a new relay. They cost around $10 and have it replaced, and hopefully one of these fuses or this relay will be burned out, and that will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.